There's a lot of talk about flossing these days, with new products and evidence showing the importance of flossing to the health of your mouth as well as the rest of your body. So, which method of flossing is most effective?
Over the years, I've seen a lot of information and research about the Waterpik water flosser and its effectiveness, and just the fact that there's so many research studies behind it, so many years of experience and effectiveness, it makes me very confident in recommending it for patients.
In study after study, the Waterpik water flosser has been proven to be the most effective way to floss. The Waterpik water flosser removes up to 99.9% of plaque biofilm from treated areas.
You apply the Waterpik to plaque on a surface of a tooth, and you look with a scanning scope, and it's gone. It's simply gone. And that's unequivocal and unarguable.
The water flosser was up to 50% more effective at reversing gingivitis and improving gum health compared to string floss, and was up to 3 times as effective as flossing for plaque removal in people with braces.
We've been using the Waterpik in our practice for 25 years, and the research that I've seen on Waterpik certainly backs up the clinical efficacy that's been apparent to us over the years.
The results are clear. The water flosser is unquestionably easier and more effective than string floss. But what about air floss? In a 28-day study, the Waterpik water flosser was found to be up to 80% more effective than Sonicare air floss at reducing gingivitis, and up to 70% more effective for plaque reduction.
When I saw subsequently the results comparing water flossing to air flossing, I was not at all surprised. They simply bore out the conclusions that I had come to in my own mouth.
And best of all, water flossing is easy. It takes just a minute a day and leaves your mouth feeling clean and fresh.
They'll have stacks and stacks of free floss that I've given them for years, and they're not using it, but they will use the water flosser.
When patients ask me, do I have to floss? I'll tell them no, I don't floss. And they look shocked because here's a hygienist telling them I don't floss. But at the same time, I always chase that with a but. I use a Waterpik.
The Waterpik water flosser, the easy and more effective way to floss.